A for aeroplane. B for boy. C for car. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ink pot. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rose. S for ship. T for tiger. U for umpire. V for van. W for window. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. थैंक यू बच्चों। वीडियो पसंद है तो वीडियो को लाइक करो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। थैंक यू।